Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another haul video for you guys, and I absolutely love creating these for you all. So I'm starting off with my favorite company, one of my very favorite companies, and this is Sets Nail Co, and they are known for their glitters, and it's just such a great company. I definitely recommend you guys check them out. I will have their link down in the description for you all, and here I'm just showing you all the ones that I chose this time around. In other past nail hauls, I have showed some of the glitters that I've purchased from them as well, and I just absolutely love how everything's composed, the packaging, the amount, and the price is just unbeatable. Each of these glitters were $2 and some of them were on sale for $1, and shipping is at max like $3, so I absolutely love them. So here I'm just showing you the ones that I got, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. So next we're moving on to these watercolor inks that I've been wanting. So I wanted to be a little bit cheap, I'm not gonna lie, so I did go on Aliexpress, and I just chose 3 for now because I didn't know if they were gonna work, if they were gonna be good or not. So here I'm just showing you kind of like the colors that I got. You guys could kind of see these are 6 milliliters each, so it's a good size, and I will be showing you guys if they work or not, so I will be testing them for you all. I want to start incorporating me testing more products during these nail hauls. I feel like it will incorporate more interaction, and also you guys will see for yourselves, and I just think it's better that way, so I will definitely start incorporating that a lot more. So I went ahead and painted these with some gel polish, cured it under the UV lamp, and now I'll be testing the green one first. And as you guys can see, they work, and I really like them, to be honest, and I can't wait to use these and make sets with these and just play around with them. And I'm definitely going to be going back to Aliexpress and purchasing a lot more colors. I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested, and let me know down below in the comments what your favorite thing was in this particular nail haul. I'd love to know. So yeah, here is the results of the first one, and now we're moving on to the second one, this really pretty pink. And honestly, I really like them, and I was so happy to get to use these. I hadn't had any of these, I had never tried them, so I definitely wanted to. Let me know what you guys think about these watercolor inks. I really like them. I think they're great quality, they're a great size, and the price, like I always mention, is unbeatable. I really loved this one as well. Super pretty. I love the color. So yeah guys, that was it for the watercolor inks, and here are all of them side by side. Next we're moving on to this Modelones number 8 Kolinsky brush, and this is on sale, so I definitely recommend you guys get this because this is an acrylic brush, and usually it costs $22.99, and it's on sale for $12 plus $5, I believe. I will have it on the screen for you guys to see, but look how beautiful this brush is. It moves with little sequins and glitters in there, and it's just so pretty. The reason why I purchased it, because I will be incorporating acrylic in this channel eventually. I'm still a little bit intimidated by it, I'm not gonna lie. But now we're moving on to these XL long tapered square nails that I got on Aliexpress, and there was $4 with some change. They bring 500 pieces and I really love them. The shape was really nice and I can't wait to work with them. So now we're moving on to this pack of 6 dried flowers. So here's just a variety of different types of dried flowers, and this is a pack of 6. So here I'm just going to be showing you the variety that it brings. Next, we are moving on to some cuticle oils that I purchased through Aliexpress, and I'm just going to be going thoroughly through them and showing you guys these scents and what they look like. And I've purchased these in the past. They're really great and they're affordable, and I love the smell because it doesn't smell artificial. It just smells like fresh and it's faint. It's not like it's overbearing or overwhelming whatsoever. So yep, I hope you all are enjoying this haul so far. Thank you guys so much again for watching. So now we're moving on to some nail stickers, and this is definitely my favorite part of the haul. I'm obsessed with decals and nail stickers, and I also received some freebies, which is always exciting. I got some Simpson ones, and then I got some really cute ones as well. I'm so sorry that this one is inappropriate. I apologize for that. I just really liked how it looked, so that's why I got it. But yeah, I hope you all are enjoying these stickers. I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute, and I love the size of them. And now we are coming to an end of this nail haul. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.